A few months ago, I was venting to my friend, who works in quality management, about the challenges we were facing at the hospital. Patients were waiting an average of 45 minutes to see a doctor, and the entire system felt overwhelmed. I told them, "We're doctors, not magicians, how do we fix this?" That's when he said, "Have you considered Six Sigma?" At first, I wasn't sure what they were talking about. But he explained it's like diagnosing and treating a sick process. That's exactly what we needed. We started by clearly defining the problem. My friend introduced us to a tool called the fishbone diagram, which helped us pinpoint the main causes of delays, like inefficiencies in check-in and triage bottlenecks. Next, they helped us measure every step of the process. We tracked how long patients spent at each stage, from arrival to consultation. The data showed that triage was slowing everything down. In the analysis phase, they brought out something called a value stream map. It broke down the patient journey into stages and highlighted exactly where time was being lost. With their guidance, we made significant improvements. We added digital check-ins to speed up registration and revamped the triage process to prioritize urgent cases more efficiently. My friend called it streamlining. I called it a lifesaver. Finally, they helped us set up a real-time dashboard to monitor patient flow and wait times. This ensured the changes we made would stick. The results? Incredible. We cut wait times down from 45 minutes to just 15. Patients are happier, staff are less stressed, and the entire hospital feels more efficient. I couldn't believe how effective these changes were. If you're struggling with inefficiencies, don't wait for a miracle, call someone who knows Six Sigma. Or better yet, learn it yourself. It transformed our hospital, and it can transform yours too.